Alright, hey all, we're here at the Sarnia station. Not here doing a regular train day, just here with a buddy. So, not a regular camera. Let's hope for something good. Track 2. He got me. That scared the crap out of me. Probably one of the guys I know. Yeah, he scared the crap out of me there. I know that video shook. It's not as bright as normal because I'm not using my regular camera. I do not know what train it is, no scanner, no computer, so. Oh, it's dark. Get a little bit more light. I couldn't get far down in the station here. Only had a few seconds to get out and get the camera right in. So this way where it is aiming down a little more. I don't want to walk down because this camera doesn't have the stability that my other one does. Try and back up a tad though. See what I mean? Shaky, shaky. That's the first time the train horn kind of got me. That probably wouldn't have shaken though with my other camera. I could wobble the camera and the lens just doesn't move. The picture stays exactly the same. But not this one. This is one of the smaller consumer Canons. So stabilizing's okay, but not as good as my commercial Canon. And it's a lot brighter too. This thing here is not very bright. Sometimes it can go in and out of focus on a dark cars like these. The other one, no. This camera's 3 times the size. Lens is a lot bigger. I need to bring a tripod in my buddy's car and leave it in the back of his car, and then they just put this camera on tripod. I'm not even sure how good the audio is going to come out because the mics are at the front of the camera. My big Canon, they're at the top, so I can speak and it's clear. Huh. Ooh, smelly, smelly. Trying to figure what might this be. Almost kind of looks like it might be like the Trio 2. Hard to say. A lot of hoppers anyway. Alright, well, thanks for scaring the crap out of me.